Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a new subscription box to share with you. So prior to them reaching out to me, I had not heard of it, but now I'm a little bit obsessed. So if you've ever heard of Tokyo Treat, they also do the Yumi Twins box. They do this one, which is called Nomakenolife, which is basically a phrase that they use to talk about how essential makeup is to their daily lives. But in this box, you can also get makeup, you can get skincare, body care, tools, hair care. There's so many things that you can get. I have peeked a little bit, but I haven't looked through everything thoroughly. So let's open this up. It did come to me from Japan, which all of their boxes do. I am also really intrigued by their Tokyo Treat box. They sent me this one for free. This is not a paid video, but I very well may have to order more boxes. I definitely want to try Tokyo Treat, and the Yumi Twins is adorable too. Lots of cute things, and you guys know I love me some cute things. So any subscription box that has that kind of stuff in it, makeup especially, I'm all in. Let's open this one up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it is at Nomakenolife is what it's called, and you can go directly to their website, or you can go to tokyotreat.com and check it out as well. I will of course link it below. It is $29.99 a month. It comes with a booklet to tell you everything about it. It's got their Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you guys want to screenshot that or pause the video to check it out, then that is what it looks like. Let's jump right in and see what all we got. The first thing on top is basically, it's all in Japanese. This is truly coming from Japan, so literally everything is in Japanese. They do give you this booklet though, so we're gonna thumb through and find what we're looking at. This is the Tonyu Isofuribon Point Masks. I'm probably murdering that pronunciation. Let's go buy it. So this is basically, it says treat extra dry and sensitive areas of your face with these mini size masks. Okay. The mask from popular drugstore brand Tonaru, from this brand, use soy isoflavones to restore elasticity in your skin, and ingredients such as collagen, hyaluronic acid to provide extra nourishment to delicate skin. And this contains 10 sets of Sakura scented point mask. Okay. So it says to cleanse, apply toner, or remove them from the bag. You apply them under the eyes or any area of the face, it says. So if you have a dry area, you can use it there. I would also like to use this in areas where you have fine lines, because I feel like you could really hydrate them. And it says you leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes, remove and follow with a regular moisturizing routine. This is a resealable bag, so this is really neat. Because it's resealable, I really want to pull one out and see what they look like. Obviously, I have some makeup on right now. If I had paid more attention, I probably would have not worn makeup, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna open them up and show you guys. So it's in like a little container. Oh, they look so soft. So it kind of looks, I'm gonna pull this little stack out. So it kind of looks like what you get for like under eye masks, but it's in this little plastic tray. It says they were scented with something, but it doesn't really smell like much of anything, which is not a bad thing at all. I cannot wait to try those out. You guys should definitely follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I will probably post and show you guys what these are like. If you want to see a video using some of the products in the box later on, then let me know. Or my current skincare routine, I could try these out as well. But this one has a little English on it. It says honey and sunflower, moisture lasts 28 days, oil, cleansing lotion. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's in that bottle, and it says the Honeyl Cleansing Lotion. It's a double duty, rich in honey and sunflower. It works to remove dead skin cells while moisturizing your skin. Okay. And basically you wash your face and you use this kind of like a toner. So you use it right after you wash with a cotton round or cotton pad. Gently wipe with cotton in an upward direction, pat excess lotion into the skin. So this seems like it's kind of a toner and essence, which is really cool. No need to rinse it off or apply any additional toner, so that's good. It includes sunflower seed oil, sunflower extract, honey, royal jelly, and propolis extract, which is another honey ingredient, I think. So we got it open. I want to just kind of like douse a little bit. Ooh, okay, so it's very watery, like a toner. Maybe you should shake it. It doesn't say explicitly to shake it, but I feel like if it has oil in it, probably need to. Very light and watery in consistency. It's a nice light scent. It doesn't smell overly perfumey. It just kind of smells like ingredients. So I can't wait to try that out. Next we have a Kakima 2-in-1 mascara liner. What is that? This is what it looks like. Looks super interesting. Let's read a little bit. 2-in-1 mascara liner to give your eyes the extra sultry look. Okay. It gives you full but feathery lower lash look minus the hassles associated with fake lashes. Okay. Not only that, it is convenient and can be used as regular eyeliner. I want to open this one up. I don't have anything under my eyes, which you can probably tell, so I didn't put very much on today. And this is funny. This box is empty. Except for this is a liner. Doesn't really tell you how to use it. So it's just like a puff. This looks like a smudger. In the picture, she's kind of like dotting it along the lower lash line. So let's try it out. So you can definitely tell the difference. It did kind of give that smoky look. So that's what it looks like. I can definitely see myself using this for like a smoky lower lash line. I can get down with that. We will try it some more. Next is the Rosy Rosa Oil Blotting Roller. You can see I got a little, I'm not really that shiny right now, but this is what it looks like. I'm pulling it out of the packaging. So it looks like it's got a little cover. It says wipe the shine off of your face with this easy to use oil blotting roller. It's made with volcanic stone. It's convenient. Effectively removes unwanted grease and dead skin from your face. Wipe with tissue to remove makeup from roller, to cleanse with warm water when necessary. Roller comes with a cap to keep clean. So this sounds like it's just really reusable. And it looks like a stone kind of consistency, like almost reminds me of a coaster. So I'm not super shiny, but let's see if we can tell a difference. It doesn't roll super, okay, there we go. What? Can you guys tell a difference? Or am I crazy? I can definitely tell a difference. Let me do it here. Oh my God. That did such a nice job. It looks so velvety smooth right there. I'm kind of a little shook because I really wasn't that shiny. Wow, I don't know if you guys are really seeing what I'm seeing, but I'm really shook right now. It is so velvety smooth, nice matte. It doesn't look dry though. Okay, this is going in my purse because during the summertime, and I don't know how to put this cap on apparently, and it's got like the nice little cap on it, so it's all sealed. So during the summertime, I get super shiny. This is going to be in my purse because I'm a little shook. It's so smooth looking. Ugh. Ginger bath salt. So this is a little packet. It says, after a long week, treat your mind and body to an extra TLC in the bath. With relaxing bath salts, contains ginger and chili extract, both of which have extra warming properties. The yuzu ginger scented salt contains yuzu extract, which has skin tightening properties. Ooh. Whereas the ginger chai, I don't know which one we got. This looks like ginger. This has a little like lemon, so I'm thinking this is yuzu. It says the chai scented contains skim milk and tea, which are moisturizing, and the honey contains honey, which also has moisturizing effects. Okay, so I'm glad I got this one. It says the yuzu has skin tightening properties. It says, which of the three did you get? And honey, I'm pretty sure this is yuzu. The orange one, you can see it's just got 3 little pictures on it. The orange one definitely has a honey pot. The red package has a teacup, so it has chai. So I got the yuzu one. I can't wait to use this. So let me know what you want to see, because I feel like these two need to happen probably tonight. I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, I'm so excited. Maybe I'll just throw it in my vlog. That would be easier. Watch, if you want to see how these turn out, watch my vlog. Okay, and then it looks like we've got, ooh, looks like we got one more thing. This is the Mapep Big Ribbon. So we're down to this. This is looks like a bow.
It says the Mapep, it's Mapep or Mapeppy, I don't know. Mapep. Shut up. Stop trying to pronounce.
It says, never be bothered by long bangs. Did it read my mind? Never be bothered by long bangs or straight hair anymore with this cute big ribbon by Mapep. Hopefully. This big ribbon is perfect as an accessory to complete your outfit or to keep your hair at bay while washing your face or when applying makeup. Just swipe and pat the ribbon over the hair you want to maintain and watch it magically stay. This is magic bow. Okay. Let's open her up. Okay, it looks like it's got Velcro on it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. It says to smooth and pat. So we've got these bangs. So I'm gonna smooth it and then pat. That held better than I thought. I have a lot of bangs though, so let's be fair. Let me take this little section and we're gonna...
Son of a bitch. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a little shooketh.
What is going on when this works so well? Now I have to try something else too. So let's do this. Y'all are gonna think I'm crazy. I'm gonna do a little twisty-do. Don't think that that's serious. It's not staying in place perfectly, but you get the idea. Like, you could actually use this. All right, guys, that is my Nomakenolife subscription box that I got all the way from Japan. So excited. And if you guys didn't see my vlog, I'm a little bit obsessed with going to Japan. I need to do that. I feel like it's something that I should be doing soon. So this maybe is prepping me for my trip. I think so. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the fun things I got in the subscription box. I will link it below, and don't be surprised if you see some more, because I may have to Tokyo treat tonight because I just feel like these are so much fun. I love subscription boxes in general, but with this, like, you really don't know what you're getting and you're experiencing something different, which I think is even more fun. So thank you to them for sending that to me. I appreciate it so much. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, especially subscription boxes that are lesser known. I'm always down to try one out. And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. A giveaway will be forthcoming in a matter of days, so I hope you guys will stick around for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!